What a day, what a day. How is everybody doing today? Worked my tail off today at work. It's my son's birthday. It's Thursday. I'm gonna party with him. We're gonna play some D&D. Gonna have some cake, and we're gonna enjoy the day. And then I gotta start setting up because tomorrow's the big day for the garage sale. Alright, trying to get this thing set up on a windy day for a garage sale tomorrow after work. Let's do it. Now it's time to focus on the important stuff. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Wyatt. Happy birthday to you. And many more. One hit, dude. Did you make a wish?
Yeah.
All right.
Cool. Yeah, I gotta do flip flops. I gotta go from small to big. This is a bag of candy, isn't it?
I don't know. Maybe it's a bag of old socks.
Thank you.
Merrick, pick those ones out.
Thank you. Now, for the final one. This is a big one. A box! Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Yeah. Thank you.
And we're going to have a lot of fun in another week on our way to Florida.
Yeah.
All right. That's bright. That's dim. Son's birthday party went off like a hoot. It was a good time. He had a great day. It's the best part of my day. But tomorrow garage sale starts, so I got to get ready tonight. I already got the tent up, so I'll pull up some tables and get some work done. Table up here. Oh, of course, I'm a little Polish. That's why I didn't fold the legs down, because that'd make too much damn sense. And then look, I ain't gonna. Oh, babe. What is going? Really? Yeah, it's all fun and games till I go out. Beep, 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 beep. I'm trying here, people. I'm trying.
I got the door for you.
I know this light folds, but this table is kind of...
Is it jammed on you?
Yeah, there's something not right going on with it. It's not happy. Who's Frappa? gotta make it fit.
Just drag it right through the opening. There you go.
Yeah, that'll be good. Okay, I got some repairs to do. It's dark out here, huh?
A little bit.
Well, it is what it is. Oh, this is the main problem.
Yeah, the lighting keeps going in and out on the camera. Did you break it?
Break's a pretty harsh word, you know. It just needs a little tweak.
A little TLC
We'll get
now.
back to you in just a minute.
What do you got there?
Little green duct tape.
Duct tape fixes everything.
That's what they say.
Yeah.
It's beep, beep, beep. We can't put that in there. We can't put that in the video. Once in a while, you just need a screw. What was I doing?
You're looking for a screw.
Oh yeah.
It's been a long day.
Oh, dude, we had a good birthday party, and you think I'd have a screw around here? It's embarrassing. Not that I don't have a screw, it's that I forgot what I was doing.
Yeah, that's your hidden gems for the flea market, right?
What's that?
I said, isn't your hidden gems back there for the flea market?
Yeah, oh yeah. I got some freaking real gems back there. From what I learned at that flea market last year, I can just throw rusty tools on a table in a pile of dust, and people will be more attracted to that than a nice setup with stuff. I mean, it helps if you show up on time as well.
Right. Live and learn.
Live and learn the best I can.
You're doing very
So
well.
much work. Like, I got it all nice displayed. This is most of the stuff from the unit, but now I got to start adding the stuff of mine that I want to get rid of, because it's all about making space, getting rid of stuff. You know what I mean?
Right.
Long day. Long day. Sell them left-handed golf clubs. That's what I'm gonna do. And that mirror right there, that mirror's gonna make me a pretty penny. I got it on the marketplace for $300.
See,
right
that
now.
mirror is gorgeous. It really is. It's a cool rustic style. And there's a lot of lumber involved in that thing.
I think it's an old barn beam that they.
That's what it looks
cut up
like.
and turned it into, maybe. It's heavy. I know that.
Yeah. Oh, I know. Found your screw jar. Need to turn that into your square jar.
Enough space. Apparently, if you haven't seen the first video.
I was there.
Yeah. It's that guy behind the thing's fault.
Yeah.
Now the duct tape comes into play because don't bend and break, you silly cheese and rice truck driver piece of junk thing.
Well done, sir.
Yeah, I'm working on it, see?
Yeah.
I promised improvement, and gosh darn it, I intend to deliver.
Yes, you do. You're just a good old boy, that's all.
I mean, that'll hold something. Maybe.
It'll hold some treasure. Right.
Yeah, that's all I got.
All
Whew. Well, hopefully I got a good start. So tomorrow when I get home from work, I can put the signs out, open shop. Let's try to get that painting sold.